DIY robots make brute force security hacks possible by Evan Ackerman. Many common types of software security systems only function because they assume that nobody has the time, interest, or energy to use brute force approaches to crack them. Take your phone, for example. It probably has 4-digit number to unlock it. A human would likely not bother to try out of 10,000 combination since it would be super boring. But robots don't get bored, so this sort of security doesn't suit them. Digital Rights Management or DRM often works the same way by making it time-consuming for people to copy things. The idea is that people just won't copy things, and it works. The two keywords there, though, are time-consuming and people. And if you change people to robots, time-consuming ceases to be a factor. And so does the DRM, as this creating little Lego robot shows. You probably shouldn't say that this robot can crack the DRM on an ebook. Rather, it avoids it. The distinction is important because while cracking might be illegal, avoiding doesn't seem like it should be. Designer Peter Forgatov, an associate professor of Vienna University of Technology in Austria, doesn't really intend for this to be used. However, it's more of a statement. Peter says he got the idea for using kinda and an insert kit for something neither were intended for. It ended being a reflection on the loss of long-established rights. When you buy an ebook, you make a copy of that book, but at eye level, so that the result is not a stack of paper, but another ebook. It's not intended as a statement against ebook, which he loves, he says, but rather what he considers a dramatic loss of rights for the book owner. The owner isn't even an owner anymore, but rather a license of the book, he says. I'm now kind of wondering whether it would be illegal to sell this robot or instruction how to build it as an ebook copying tool, but perhaps to be less inflammatory about it as an ebook backup creator. And even if it is illegal, is there anything that anyone could do to keep you from taking pictures of your own screen?